Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. I've been taking a little hiatuses, not filming that much because I've been so busy. And I think I have my thing in here. Oh, this is my work bag, but come on. I think I left my lip balm in here. But my lipsticks that I've been using. Stop. I need some more. Backwards already. Okay, I have not done a berries and cream tutorial or a Sylvia Ghani tutorial on this channel yet, so I figured why not. So we're gonna play with the berries and cream palette. I feel like I should set it over here. And let's just hop in. I'm just gonna do a normal tutorial. Like, I've been using a lot of the colors. Like, I normally have been using Soft and Sweet, Cherry Juice, Sweet Cream, and Sugar Cookie. I want to try something different. So bear with me. This is going to be intense. Like, I never played with the blue shade yet. Like we have not. I haven't played with this one that much. Or that one. Here. No, I played with this one, so it's mostly these two, this corner, and then these three. So I figured I could do a look around that. So I used most of these shades already. Okay. Oh, what else do I have here? That's lower. Much better. I just want to use this for my base shade as always. This is my Wet n Wild brush. I take the shade Sweet Cream. Like, I'm giving my lashes a break just because I've been wearing makeup too much. And I figured I'll move closer so we don't have boobs in the camera. I just don't want these in the camera because I'm uncomfortable right now. You guys understand? And I feel like I have no light. Not enough light. Oh, but then it does wash me out. Maybe a little bit of light from the window. It's just I'm trying to make sure I stay under the desk. Okay. Now I'm going to take a clean brush and I think I'm going to use chocolate mousse. I never use this kind of shade, so I'm scared. Cause like I don't know how deep it is. Okay, that's how far I'm gonna go. Cause like I want that blue in there somehow. Like, I don't have enough light on my mirror, so I'm like, this is even good enough. That looks heavy right there, but don't worry, I'm gonna fix it. Alright, that feels better. It's just I'm gonna be a little washed out on my Okay. I want to take this brush actually for the blue. It's another one in Wild. Dang, she's pigmented. Ooh, that's hella pigmented. Okay, y'all. So I always say this is my smoky look with this palette now. I'm surprised how I like it. Okay, I'm not gonna go too deep. As it looks deep already. I feel like I went so. I did not go all the way in this one, but I feel like it listed here, but it's fine. So I'm gonna grab a clean one, and I'm gonna take a soft and sweet and toasted. Just light that in the corner back up. Because now I'm gonna take Honey Dip. Place that on the lid. Wait a minute, why do I like this look? I think I like this look. And I'm surprised. I still want to use warm pie, so I might pop that in too. So I have some job updates. I am currently getting anxious. I may be promoted this week. I just applied to be a cashier. I feel like this eye's so smoky compared to this one, but it looks so good. Okay. I do want to add warm pie somehow underneath. Ooh. Or smoky. Oh yeah, we're smoky, alright. Oh damn. This better not be hard to come off. So I'm gonna take cranberry and warm pie. We're gonna go right into the inner corners. Ooh, I'll look at my schedule in a minute. This is insane. Oh my god, I'm scared, I'm scared. Like, it's only 3:45 in the schedule, so I'm already like, heck yeah. I'm scared though. I'm gonna take cranberry. And then somehow I gotta take this blue. So I'm gonna do blue, cherry, and berry. And I don't have another small brush because I do want to do a little bit of the black somehow. Because I'm like almost out of brushes. I don't want to make it darker. But I'm going to highlight the inner. No, I'm going to highlight my brow bone. I want to add a little more pop to the inner corner. Whoa, tape, 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 tape. I'm gonna take Sugar Cookie. Like, that's like my star favorite shade. Oh my god. Look how much reflex it does. Like, I want to take a picture of this before I take it off my face because, oh my god, I'm blown away with this look actually. I thought I was not gonna do a look like this. and I'm shocked. Shook to the max. Like, I have 3 brushes left and I gotta do a lot of brush cleaning. So I'm not gonna be able to wear makeup tomorrow or Friday, so that's fine. Because I gotta want to. It's just, for this look, I gotta do it real up. So I'm gonna take my Rich Ruby from Maybelline. Because I was going to do Everything Dominique, but I don't have any of these in the red shade yet. And that's what I'm going to wait for my paycheck to do in order. I'm not setting my face, y'all. Like, I can't believe this was the most boldest look I've ever done. And yeah, ooh, wait. This actually does look so pretty. So you got your highlight, your crease shade, your deep shade. I like the under eye, actually. It's like kind of cool. It's like a rainbow effect. Then you have the gold. Like, you can tell I'm not doing liner because I have like no lashes right now. Like sugar cookies hair. I did warm cranberry, cherry pie, bittersweet, and the blueberry. Toasted and sweet creamer. And under there, then, yeah, honey dipped. Wait, what did I use in the crease? Oh, chocolate mousse, sweet cookie. I think sweet cookie, soft cream. But I like this eye so good. Oh my god. And then this is Maybelline's Rich Ruby. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial today. And if you did, give this video a like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.